The product is one of the other dimensions. The many e-governance projects are large and complex, and what we tend to do is to come out with requirements, the gold plating of requirement, where we the users tend to ask for much more than what is required upfront. So requirement gold plating is a key problem. Feature creep, this is something that most people in the ICT domain are aware of. So I start with certain set of requirement. As the project progresses, I want more and more features to be added, and then it sort of sets a it gains a momentum of its own. Then the developer gold plating, I mean, this is something that we understand very well from an information risk management perspective, where new technologies are announced and the developers are immediately attracted to these new technologies. They want to try it out, and then this creates a problem for the project. So technology is the fourth factor, and this, like I just mentioned with respect to the developer creep in, technology also holds certain promises, but we tend to attach a lot more importance to these promises than what is possible in reality. For instance, perhaps a generation ago, it was felt that fourth generation languages, computer aided software engineering tools, the case tools, use of these would ensure that the projects will automatically succeed. Far from it. And technology has only certain role to play, and often the role technology has to play is directly not related to the success or failure of the project. One other thing that we need to be aware of is switching off tools in the middle of a project. So it sometimes makes sense to go for incremental upgrades, but often in the middle of a project, either an operating system or a development tool goes from version X to version X+1, and then we want to start using them. Clear recipe for failure unless it is backed by a good risk analysis.